Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to make multi-page Google Forms. So to make Google Forms, just go to your Drive, click Add New, and then just choose Google Forms instead of like because there's Word, Sheets, and whatnot. But just make a new form, and let's just say this is a the usual form, right? And after this, of course, by default, you're gonna have the first question here. So, for example, are you male or female, right? And you're gonna have the first option with male, and after that, you're gonna click Add Other. You're gonna put female, of course, and then you're gonna put another option. Prefer not to say, right? So, okay, now after this is going to be your first form. What you want to do next to make a second page, this is your first page, I mean, once you've done setting up your first page, is you're going to go here on the small menu here on the right side. If you hover on the lowest option, it says add section. Section is page, so click on this, right? This is going to say section 2 of 2. The first page is 1 of 2, right? And just let's say the section is about let's add a question, right? Add a question like this, and the question would be, for example, what is your age range, right? And just like the first page, you're gonna choose add option. So option 1 might be 18 to 25. Option 2 would be 26 to 30, and so on and so forth, right? And then after that, what you want to do is click on, and again, this is multiple choice, by the way. You can choose whatever. You can choose checkbox, you can choose paragraph, drop down, whatever. Click the same thing again to add another section. Now, this is section 3 of 3, and again, add question. So, for example, let's do a checkbox this time. Checkboxes, okay. Do you live in these areas, right? So option 1, say United States. Add option, say United Kingdom. Add another option, let's say I don't know, Korea, right? South Korea, right? Or just for example. And these are the checkboxes. You can just choose whatever instead of like multiple choice. So these are already 3 pages. So if you want to see what it's going to look like, as you can see, are you male or female? Male. Next form. As you can see, this is the second page. What are you? Say 26, 25. Next form. Do you live in these areas? Click United States, and then click submit, since that's the third and final page. So yeah, that's how you create multiple pages. Create pages again. For those who have yet to touch Google Forms, pages are sections. So just keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.